craft with us. As always, I have my mom here, and we do not have Bear today with us for our intro, but on today's episode, we are going to be turning these dollar store, I think these are about 12 by 12, just little wall hangings. So we're going to be transforming these into something a little bit more spooky. So stay tuned and we'll show you how we do it. The first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take your sign, so we each have one, and you're going to want to go ahead and take off the handle piece. You can even save it for another project. And then we're actually going to leave this side as it is, and we're just going to work on the back side. Alright, so once you have everything off of your board and you just have a flat surface, then you're going to need kind of whatever decorative items you want to use on this project. There's no rhyme or reason to it. We are actually going to be using two different wood pieces that we purchased at the Dollar Tree. So I have the Wicked wall hanging and Mom has the cat wall hanging. So you're going to need some sort of wood cutout or piece to use for your board. You're also going to need either a ribbon, piece of fabric, a wire, something to use as the new hanger. Then you're also going to want some decorative pieces. So I just have some creepy cloth in black. I have these little puffy sequin bats that I've had forever. I don't even know where they came from. And then, of course, you're going to want an assortment of acrylic paint. So we have, I don't know, probably 10, 15 bottles sitting in front of us because we're not sure what direction we're going to go in yet. So it'll be quite an interesting situation to see how these end up. So we're going to go ahead and get started, and we'll take you along with us.
Now we are going to paint this whatever color you like, and then we're going to take this decoration piece and then we're going to paint this too. Then we're going to let it dry, and then we're going to be moving on to the next step.
So now you should have your base piece painted. So Mom went black on hers and mine is black. Decided to do black. And like we said, we didn't touch the other side, so it's still there. But we're just going to ignore it. And then we also painted the wood piece. So Mom did 3 colors and I did 2 on mine.
Yep.
And now the next step is basically assembling your sign. So pretty basic. You're just going to take your wood piece and your base piece and glue it on. So that way you'll have something that looks like this. And for one extra step, we decided to use some creepy cloth, also from the Dollar Tree. To give it a little bit more interest on the background. So we're actually just going to drape this over the front and hot glue it on the back, just to give it a little something extra. So we'll show you how we do that, and we'll be right back. This was probably one of our very easy, very quick DIYs that we've ever done. So we're going to just go ahead and show you what we ended up with. I'll let Mom go first and show you what she did.
Here's mine. Yep. So we put the background, and she already showed you, and she videoed you what I was doing, and then we glued the back here. And then I glued my cat on here, and then you decorate it. And I put the shiny eyes, and then I put the sign up here, and then I painted 2 different colors. And then we put this on, and there's a little hole in there, and then you just tie it on the back, and there's my cat.
All right, and then for mine, I did the Wicked one. So this is how mine turned out. So I painted the Wicked in a lime green, and then I did accents with white on the top here. This was a extra wood veneer already glittered pumpkin, so I just glued him on there. And then I'm not sure if it's coming up on camera, but there are some silver splotches on the back. And then on mine, because I actually glued mine on sideways, so I didn't have the holes, so I just went ahead. So I just hot glued on my hanger piece.
Yeah.
So that is this week's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure that you leave a thumbs up so you don't miss out, and also subscribe so you stay in touch whenever we post our next craft video. And we will see you next week.
Look straight there.
Now like,
Yeah.
now, oh. Blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah.
Okay. Thumbs up.
What are you doing?
I'm waiting for you.
What
Perfect.
kind of pirate do you know? Are you sure you don't want to make a pirate? But it's like perfect pirate material. Look, you got your water, and you got a net,
Yeah.
and you have a cat.
Yeah.
You can be a pirate.
That's true.
You don't want to be a pirate?
No, I'm not gonna be a pirate.
But you like pirates.
Why? You wanna be a pirate?
Yeah.
Hi there.
What are you doing?
You can go too. Hi, everybody.
What are you doing? That's
Well,
not
you
a
said
pirate.
you wanted to be a pirate.
No,
You
that's
wanna be a
not
pirate.
That's not a pirate. That's like a creepy guy. Why?
You have the net, and I have the cat.
And a creepy guy.
That's a creepy pirate.
No, that's not even a pirate. That's like a creepy guy in an alleyway.